Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right, so this week we are going to be making an aquarium lamp. So recently, or earlier this week, I went down to my local aquatic store and they had 4 big tubs full of all this bogwood, which looks absolutely awesome. Also what they have now in the aquarium shop is a pick and mix Animix. You get to pick your own animals in a pick and mix. So what I've done is I've got some fish, some starfish. I've also picked up some fake weed, red and green. So my initial idea is to have parts of this weed scraping down through the bogwood, out of some of these crevices and holes. And what I'm going to be trying to do is suspend these animals or these fish within the resin cast. Now I don't quite know how I'm going to do this yet, or where I'm going to go with it, but just as an initial idea, I'm looking for sort of an egg shape with say a spalted wood base, and an LED light coming up through. But as we're all aware, projects and ideas change as you're going along. Things as you get to them might not work, so what we're going to do is we're going to play it by ear, see what we can do, what will look best, and we'll go from there. So anyway guys, let's get cracking. I just want to say a big thank you to all the subscribers that have come over to me in the last week, and my subscribers from before. Thank you very much for sticking with me. I am new to YouTube, but yeah, thank you very much guys. Anyway, let's get cracking. Right guys, so we're now ready to make the mould up around the piece. I've got it sitting on a bit of this hardback foam board at the moment, and what I have done is I have just put some little blocks underneath to raise it off the deck, so that I can put in a tenon for my chuck. So what we're going to do now, if we go over to the other table, hopefully there's enough lighting. What we're going to do is we're going to, hold up guys, let's just get some more lighting over here. That's better. Right, so what we're going to do is I've cut this bit of board at the right height. What we're going to do now is we're just going to score down the line all the way down, every inch, all the way across that board, so that what I can do is I can mount it on here and it will allow me to turn the board all the way around. I'll put small glue dots as I go around to hold it in place, and then yeah, it will allow me just to get the right depth away from the piece. So we'll get on with that now. Right guys, so we've got the mould on now. Just got to add the last bit of tape to the top just to give it that little bit more stability. Let's have a look inside if we can. I've decided to actually go with an oak board on the bottom, just to give it that sort of base. But yeah, there we go. What we're going to do now, we're going to go over to the table. We're going to mix up some resin. I'm probably going to do this over 5 pours because it is quite deep. and there's no way in hell I'm even going to attempt that in 2 pours. I don't want this one to go wrong. So what we do is go over to the board, go over to the table, mix up some resin, and we'll get the first lot in. Now this is going to be completely clear, this one. I'm not actually going to add any colours to it. So it just about fits in the pressure pot, so it's a bonus. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we're going to pour this in now. Right guys, so that's the first pour in. There was a couple of little leaks at the bottom, so I've taped all that up. Hopefully that stops it now, but we'll see. I've had risen it off the deck as well to make sure that if there is any leak out, the piece doesn't actually get stuck to the table. I'm not actually going to put this one in the pressure pot. I've pulled as many bubbles out as I can. I'm going to leave it as it is. With them leaks, I really don't want it leaking into the pressure pot, getting stuck at the bottom, but it's one of those things, does happen. But yeah, so we'll see what happens on this pour. Hopefully we'll get the other pour in soon. Let me just see if I can get it in there so you can have a look. So there was 500 grams of resin there. It's heating up pretty fast now, so to be honest with you, that shouldn't take too long to cure, but we'll see. Anyway, let's leave it and we'll come back when the rest of the pours are done.
guys, so that's all finished now. All I need now, which I do have on order, is the little push on button batteried LED light for the top. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how it turned out. The first pour actually caused out of the yoke for these bubbles to sort of start rising up from the bottom, which actually I think is giving it a really cool effect. I will put some stills up at the end to get some better angles and actually see it in the dark lit up. But yeah guys, the Sea Marine light. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time.